Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to record videos with the help of your Reolink E340 camera. Let's get started. And for that we will need to open this Reolink application and make sure that your camera is connected to this app. Now here in the camera section you can see the live footage which your camera is recording right now. If you tap it like that, you would be able to pause this video, you can play it again, and you can see this camera icon. So if you want to record video, you just need to use it. So just tap it, and if it's red, then video is still recording. So if you want to stop it and want to save it to the gallery, you just need to tap this icon once more. And here you can immediately share it to any application you want, and it will be immediately saved to your gallery. Here is how it will look. So if you want to record video once more, you just need to tap this icon and it will become red like that. And here you can also see the time of your recording. And to close this tab, you just need to click this arrow like that. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.